How much should you actually spend on an eyelash growth serum? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the hype to show you what really delivers longer, thicker lashes and what's just overpriced oil in a fancy bottle. Product number 1, Kate Blanc Organic Castor Oil. Let's start with something simple, Kate Blanc's Organic Castor Oil. This is one of the most affordable options on the list at just $12.67 for 2 ounces, and it's been bought over 20,000 times in the past month. If you want a natural, no-frills option that's been trusted for years, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which has natural anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. That means it can help condition your lash follicles, reduce breakage, and create a healthier environment for growth. It's cold-pressed and hexane-free, so you're not getting harsh chemicals, just pure oil. While it won't magically grow lashes overnight, many users report noticeable thickness and shine within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. Now some people complained about the messiness and slow results. Here's the thing though, castor oil isn't a serum with peptides or growth factors, it's a conditioner. If you're expecting dramatic length in 2 weeks, you'll be disappointed. But if you're patient and want a clean, budget-friendly base treatment, it's solid. Also, the dropper bottle can get sticky over time, so keep it clean. This is perfect for you if you prefer natural ingredients, have sensitive eyes, or are new to lash serums and want to start low cost. Skip this one if you're looking for fast, clinical-level results or hate oily textures. For the price, it's an amazing value. Product number 2, NUNA Eyelash Growth Serum. Now, if Kate Blanc's slow and steady approach feels too basic, the NUNA Eyelash Growth Serum might be more your speed. At $54.53 for a 6 ml bottle claimed to last 6 months, it's mid-range but packed with science-backed ingredients like biotin and Korean multipeptides. Over 7,000 people bought it last month, so there's clearly interest. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Peptides are like tiny protein signals that tell your hair follicles to stay in the growth phase longer. Biotin supports keratin production, which is the building block of lashes. Together, they aim to strengthen existing lashes and encourage new growth. The formula also includes natural extracts like ginseng and green tea, which soothe the lash line and reduce irritation. Users often report visible improvement in fullness within 3 to 4 weeks. Now some people complained about the dropper being hard to control, leading to wasted product or accidental eye contact. Here's the thing though, this is common with glass dropper bottles. Just be careful when applying and wipe the tip after each use. Also, while it's labeled for both lashes and brows, the viscosity is better suited for lashes. Brows might feel a bit slick. This is perfect for you if you want a peptide-powered serum without breaking the bank and don't mind a slightly learning curve with application. Skip this one if you have extremely sensitive skin or hate waiting weeks to see results. For the ingredient list and price, it's a strong contender. Product number 3, Borbolta Lash Serum. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those serious about results. Borbolta's Lash Serum costs $82.44 for a full-size 3-month supply. And while only 2,000 people bought it recently, it's gaining traction among beauty enthusiasts who want clinical-grade formulas. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Borbolta uses a blend of plant-derived peptides and amino acids that mimic the natural signals your body uses to grow hair. It's designed to extend the anagen growth phase of your lashes, meaning they grow longer before shedding. The formula is also free of prostaglandins, those synthetic compounds in some prescription serums that can cause eye color changes or irritation. Instead, it relies on natural stimulation, which is safer for long-term use. Now some people complained about the price and the lack of immediate results. Here's the thing though, this isn't a quick fix. Like any real growth treatment, it takes 6 to 8 weeks to see significant changes, but if you're consistent, the results can be dramatic. Also, the brush applicator is a bit flimsy, so handle it gently. This is perfect for you if you're willing to invest in a high-quality, prostaglandin-free serum and want longer, stronger lashes without risky ingredients. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need overnight results. It's pricey, but the formulation justifies the cost for many. Product number 4, Rodin Plus Fields Lash Boost. Now, if you've heard of Rodin Plus Fields, you know they don't mess around with marketing, and their Lash Boost Serum is no exception. At $135.72 for just 5 ml, it's the most expensive on this list, and only 1,000 people bought it last month. But R plus F has a loyal following, and this serum is their flagship lash product. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses a proprietary blend called BioVary Complex, which includes peptides, hyaluronic acid, and almond extract to hydrate, condition, and support lash growth. The formula is non-irritating and absorbs quickly, making it easy to use nightly. It's also ophthalmologist tested, so it's safe for contact lens wearers and sensitive eyes. Many users notice improved lash density and reduced fallout within a month. Now, some people complained about the price and that it didn't work as well as prescription alternatives. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to replace medical treatments. It's a cosmetic booster, not a miracle cure. Also, the small bottle size means you'll need to reorder frequently if you're using it long-term. This is perfect for you if you already use R plus F products, want a trusted brand with clinical testing, and don't mind paying a premium for peace of mind. Skip this one if you're looking for the most cost-effective option or expect prescription-level results. It's luxurious, but not the best value. Product number 5, Liaison Lash Growth Serum. Finally, we have the Liaison Lash Growth Serum at $31.70 for 3 ml, making it one of the more affordable peptide-based options. With 800 recent buyers, it's a sleeper hit that balances price and performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It combines peptides and biotin to stimulate lash follicles and strengthen existing hairs. Users report seeing fuller, longer lashes in as little as 2 weeks, though results vary. The key is consistency. Apply it once daily along the lash line and let it dry before makeup. Now, some people complained about the brush being too small for precise application. Here's the thing though, it's still usable with a light hand. Also, while it claims to work in 2 weeks, most see real results closer to 4. Don't expect miracles overnight. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, peptide-powered serum at a reasonable price and don't want to spend over $50. Skip this one if you need a large bottle or prefer dropper applicators. For under $35, it's one of the best value-for-money options here. So which one should you pick? If you're on a budget, Kate Blanc's castor oil is a great starter. NUNA offers solid peptide power for the price. Borbolta is for serious growers who want clean, effective science. Rodin Plus Fields is premium but pricey. And Liaison, that's the sweet spot for performance and value. Remember, consistency beats cost every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.